Maybe you are facing a problem when you are going to start your Oracle VirtualBox and you're starting your OS or operating system. When we click or you click on start, there is an error. What's that? First of all, find out the error and then let's go for the solution. Here you can see not in a hypervisor, the partition HVP 0, error name not available, and then VTX is disabled in the BIOS for all CPU modes. How to solve this problem? Let's see. First of all, you have to restart your PC from here, and then after restarting you have to enter into your BIOS. How to do that? Let's go for the next option. Click on OK and click on restart. Well, you can see the PC is being restarted. Now I have entered into the BIOS and simply go to the main, and then from main option you will have some other options. Do not try to change anything from here until you are going to Intel VTX, what you can see in the advanced mode. After going here, just simply press on your enter from your keyboard, and then after pressing enter you will have two more options, disabled or enabled. Disabled is already selected because the function is disabled. Now we need to enable this one. From your keyboard, select enable and then press enter, and then press F10 from your keyboard to save the settings, and then press enter to say yes, and simply go to the main mode from where we are starting our VTX or VirtualBox, and then wait until the situation is coming in front of us. So BIOS or boot, it comes about Acer, HP or some other devices. So based on your PC, laptop or device, it can occur. So simply go to the BIOS setting from your PC. If it is HP, then maybe F9, but if it is Acer or Dell, then F2 is quite enough. So let's enter into our PC. As you can see that our PC is restarted after doing the fact that we wanted to go, and simply click on start and see if the problem persists again or not. Let's wait for powering up. And maybe it may take a few more seconds because of your PC, my PC, or someone's PC. Yes. So all you can see, the problem has been solved. Now you can go to your desired option, what you want to choose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have solved it. Now it's up to you how you can go for the next option. Thank you. If there is any issue installing Ubuntu, Windows, or VirtualBox, do not forget to let me know. I will try to provide you the information based on your queries. Thank you.